Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I make this see-through lace blindfold. On the pictures you can see the hidden lady. She bought this blindfold from me on my website and wore on one of her shows. To make a blindfold I'll be using red lace, which is 37 by 11.5 centimeters, and two satin ribbons which are 52 centimeters by 2 centimeters each. First I'll burn edges on these satin ribbon ends. Next, I'll pin the ribbons on this lace. I'm creating a box pleat on this lace edge there, approximately 2 centimeters wide, same width as the ribbon, and I'm pinning that ribbon on a lace there. And I'm repeating same on other side. I'm creating a box pleat on that lace edge there and pinning other ribbon on other side. I will sew straight stitch there and there. Now I will sew these two ribbons on a straight stitch sewing machine. My seam allowance is approximately 4 millimeters. I'm sewing back and forward stitch. It looks like that. Next I'm turning this ribbon to the other side like that, and I will sew a seam allowance of 5 millimeters there, back and forward stitch. So one edge is finished, looks like that. So this is the right side, looks like that. And I'll repeat same on other edge there, sewing approximately 4 millimeters from the edge. Looks like that, turning that ribbon to the other side like that, and I will sew 5 millimeters seam allowance on top there. And this is how it looks. Both edges are finished. Last thing what I need to do is to iron this blindfold flat, and my lace blindfold is finished. If you have any questions how I made this blindfold, please comment down below in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.